What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. We're outside right now and I want to film a quick video on Spencer's car because he's been documenting my E46 M3 build, but he has the E92 M3. So two very different generations of M3s, but he just got a couple new mods for this car and it sounds insane. He did a full Valvetronic exhaust, which is like, it's a valved exhaust but it's super loud when it's open. And he also just did an E92 carbon plenum and intake. So we're gonna show you that right now, and then we're gonna go on a drive and show you what it sounds like. But yeah, we'll just get straight to it and show you it. Open this up.
It's shiny.
Wow. Beautiful. So full carbon fiber plenum, which the plenum, believe it or not, doesn't give you any power gains. It's all aesthetic, and for the sound, the intake sound is incredible, man.
I've driven it for like an hour yesterday. I went to Huntington Beach to go to Frogs.
Yeah.
And there's a bunch of straightaways on PCH, and just, I got up to like 8,000 RPM. It's insane. It's super intense in the cabin.
I can't wait to hear it.
Yeah, it's amazing.
And then he also has the intake, which does add about 10 to 15 horsepower, I believe. So that's what's underneath here, and then it obviously goes through here. And there's actually little trumpets. I'll insert a photo right now. We did a full unboxing of this on Spencer's channel, and Spencer's about to upload a video on the installation and some sounds, right?
Yeah, it's 3 parts. So we did the unboxing, I have an install video plus like a little bit of driving.
Yeah.
And then the third video will be strictly just like in-car footage.
First impressions.
Yeah, like actually driving it. And then I have a microphone that'll go in the engine.
Okay.
I have a system, I'm going to use that.
Yeah, so
be like a sound clip video.
Yeah, so if you want to see more on this thing, definitely check out Spencer's videos, because I'm just doing one video on this.
Things still has to warm up, but I'll have the exhaust closed. Yesterday I found out that this thing has 7 bars of shifting.
Oh really?
So you can turn your traction off, and then it allows you to launch the car. So I just discovered launch control yesterday. I've had this car for a year. I'm like, how did I not know that?
It's probably so fun with the DCT.
Yeah, they say that once you get a transmission tune and you do the launch, it like throws you into your seat.
He's gonna do a small pull. The car's still getting up to temperature.
Exhaust is closed. And we'll do windows up too. Windows up, exhaust closed, you hear it so much more.
Oh yeah, that's so cool.
That was only to 6,000.
Yeah, that sounds amazing though. Yeah, when you get up there, it's like, it all starts to come in.
You actually hear it above 7,000.
Yeah. Alright, we got the goods. And
so my power steering pump is failing right now. So there's a lot of whine coming from the front of the engine, but if you don't think about that, the intake sounds great. I just have to get that replaced on Monday. I
love the intake.
Intake's great. I want to get it up to like 8,000.
Yeah, let's hear it. Wow, up there it's like so pronounced.
It's very loud up top. Stretch of road. Yeah, it's funny because I never thought I'd want induction noise over exhaust noise, and I'm hooked. I'm hooked on how it sounds. It's so sick. Alright, let's rip it. We'll get past this light.
Oh, the thing can focus. Yes, sir. Get some downshifts in there. Woo!
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah. Sounds so good. Oh, the coke! Jesus Christ. Jesus.
Oh, it sounds so good.
I was scared that the coke was about to spill all over me. It's crazy that valves closed.
Yeah, that's valves closed.
Still just sounds insane.
The induction noise is so much more, dude. Oh my god, my adrenaline's going. Man, Mexico looks really nice in this area.
Yeah, crazy.
No, it feels great, dude. I'm obsessed with it. It's a baller mod to do, and I know a lot of people like to talk shit, but
yeah, I mean, it doesn't like, it's literally like aesthetic and for the sound.
Yeah.
Which a lot of people can't wrap their mind around. Ow, that hurts my ears.
How crazy is that, dude?
Oh,
it's so crazy. That's why that guy's been backing up all day.
So that's valves open with exhaust. So you got a little taste of how loud that is.
It's terrifyingly loud, dude.
Like over here, it almost hurts my ears when you're like next to a wall.
It's so much, man. That's why I like it closed, and then when you want to just like, I don't know, be a little bit rowdy, you can open it up and you have a straight piped S65.
Yeah. I got a McFlurry. What'd you get?
Dude, I'm trying to broker a deal on BBS wheels right now, but I got a Diet Coke. I like this. So if you guys haven't watched Parker's videos before mine, we try to go out once a day, and just to get a drink or something, like I've been on meal prep, so have you. I just want to have like something to get out of the office. So
yeah, I don't know why I got a McFlurry, but it sounded really good because it's super hot. Also, check this out.
Oh!
It's really stuck in there. But yeah, I'm gonna show you one more look of this. Oh, it's hot. Gorgeous. And he's also got the ISC suspension with camber plates in there.
Plates, mate. Oh, I hear it trying to cool down.
Yeah, your fans are on. Dude, it's just insane. Get them detail shots. Lovely. So, tell us a little bit more about your car and what you've done to it recently.
So recently I did obviously the e-Venturi airbox. I also have the differential being, or not differential, the drive shaft. The CV joint is going out plus the flex plate. So I'm replacing both of those. My power steering pump is going out too, so a lot of maintenance stuff. But as far as like performance mods, I always forget because I have so much going on.
Yeah.
But the next step, I believe, is wheels. That's the goal.
Yeah, you really want BBS ED8s, right?
Trying to find a set right now, and then these things right here, I'm gonna get black ones of those.
That'd be clean.
And then I plan on a track day, so getting ready for a track day soon. So I'm gonna replace brake fluid, maybe the rotors, and new pads.
Yeah, definitely.
So
I think you should get some like Pagid pads or something that has better bite, even if they are pretty noisy. But he has a lot of stuff done to this. Apex wheels. He actually has stock brakes on this, but I think he's going to be upgrading them pretty soon, like he said. Obviously, bucket seats, a half cage, which is a 4-point cage, full exhaust, and the ISC track coilovers with camber plates on it. You might need to adjust those camber plates, man.
Yeah, I'll put camber on front.
And then the engine is stock other than the airbox. But he's also going to be doing a tune on it soon, and the DCT tune.
Yeah, so I have a lot more videos to film. Alex at Alpine's going to tune my car, and then I have the GTS transmission tune, which apparently is a huge difference.
Yeah.
And then time for the track, I guess.
Yeah, I'm excited to see like those two different tunes. That'll be really cool to see.
I got to make separate videos for them too, and then I have like a blend mount for my radar detector. Harnesses.
Yeah. Schroth harnesses.
Yeah. Mach Chanel makes a lower profile seat system where your seat can sit lower.
The floor mounts. Yeah.
Too.
Yeah.
So I have those coming. So it's every day there's parts. You've seen it. The office is just full of parts.
I know.
Every day.
He works with a lot of companies and he gets amazing parts on all of his cars basically. He had an E90 M3 before this and now E92 M3. But yeah, his builds are always like a big inspiration for my builds, and this E46 M3 is definitely going to be kind of inspired by Spencer. So I'm already reaching out to companies, and we'll see what parts we can get on mine.
Aren't you worried about your front lip, dude? Look at that. You parked so close, bro.
that bumper is screwed up.
That is.
I'll show you guys the bumper already. Look at this. That thing's ruined.
This is scary for me. Like, just this is.
Well, this is worth something. This bumper, the bumper that I have is worth nothing, and I'm gonna be getting the CSL one very soon. I'm talking to a Euro plug right now.
Back into everywhere, dude.
Exactly.
I don't usually pull it forward, but oh yeah, I adjusted my canards too, and the paint came off, so we got to repaint the bumper.
Oh yeah.
Oh, dude, I have so much going on. I got new headlight lenses coming too.
Oh.
Because these are pitted from the road trip.
Yeah.
So we're gonna replace that.
A little bit oxidized too.
DTM rings too, because that's falling out.
Oh really?
Yeah.
That's clean. I think I'm gonna be doing new headlight lenses on this too, because they are a little bit yellow. So that about does it for this video. Thanks for watching, and definitely go check out Spencer's channel if you haven't already. I know a lot of people come over from his channel to check out mine. Definitely check out our podcast as well. We filmed another one yesterday, and we do it kind of frequently, so I'll put the links for both of those things in the description below. But for now, I appreciate you watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.